In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to hide your likes on Twitter. Protecting your privacy on social media is important, and one way to do that is by keeping your likes hidden from view. By default, anyone who visits your profile can see what you've liked, but with just a few simple steps, you can change this setting. To get started, open the X or Twitter app on your device. Tap on your profile picture icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, select Settings and Support, then scroll down a bit and tap on Settings and Privacy. On the Settings page, tap on Privacy and Safety, then select Audience and Tagging. What you need to do next is toggle on the switch next to Protect Your Tweets. Enabling this option will hide your likes from people who don't follow you. Keep in mind, however, that your followers will still be able to see the tweets you like. And that's it for this tutorial. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great day.